I know this is 2 videos, but I wanted to talk about it one more time, and it's going to be less than a minute. But I cannot believe this. It's fixed. I don't know if they redid the whole floor or just a couple of the sheets. This does look a little different. I have to take a look at my actual video of me showing you this. But look at this, man. Brand new. No holes in the floor. Like there was about right about here, there was a couple spots that had big holes in it where a couple of the floor pieces were broken off. Back there was one hole as well. And it's completely, looks like brand new. In fact, I think it's all brand new. I will double check my video and kind of make a little comment on here. Yes, I looked brand new. All brand new. Anyway, that's where I wanted to keep that as. Less than a minute. That's it. Pergola from last year next to the spa. All brand new flooring. Awesome.